How you doing, guys? So this finally turned up today. This is the Vigo Smart Track. It's version 2, hopefully. It took about a month to come. They kept me informed of what was going on through email and stuff. It was held up because it comes from over near Poland, I think, somewhere like that. Yeah, well, I'll have to look that up, but yeah. You see these on Facebook quite a lot, and all the comments on the advert on Facebook say it does take a while to get them. Some people have been waiting a couple of months for them, but I don't think they're a big company, and they make these. So you can see what it does. It's 24/7 control. It's SOS call if you come off, and it gives you an overview of your rides, and it also tracks your bike and lets you know where it is. You get where you can log it onto your phone. Apparently it's just 2 wires to install it, and it stays connected. It doesn't consume a lot of power apparently. So as it says on here, internal battery, accelerometer, network connection, all the usual apps you can download and stuff from different, depending on your phone. So you got all the instructions there of how to do it. It's part of this system, the smart turn system. I haven't got that on my bike. I don't need it because mine actually is quite smart, turns itself off. So let's open her up, take this bit off. There's nothing in there. Just stuck on bit there. And which way does it open? This side opens up first. So what we got in here? Well, instructions, destructions, we have the connections. Like I said, it's only 2 little connections that are red and black to either side of the battery, so it should be pretty straightforward. Sticky pad to secure it somewhere, and the main bit, the smart track itself. So it's quite small. What's that? 3, 4 inches. Looks like an aerial of some sort, or maybe that's where it all plugs in, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like a connection. There's no connection on it, so that is the connector. So yeah, that's all it is. Compare it to my hand, that's how big they are. So it should be quite easy to hide somewhere, and we'll crack on and have a go at that, see that, how it works. We'll read all up about it. The next thing is get it on the bike. So I thought I could show you the app. It's all fitted on my bike now. Like I said, it's 2 wires. I'm not going to show you that bit because I've hidden it on my bike. I don't want people to know where it is and all that. But basically 2 wires, one to the live and one to the earth on your battery. And it's motion operated, so as soon as your bike moves, it's comes alive. That's why you have to take it for a drive and that. So I'm not going to show you my app there because it's got a lot of personal details on it. So I downloaded the other app, and it's got like a training one, I suppose you called it, like one, so you can see like example one. That's what I meant, an example program on there. So this is like for a Yamaha YZF. So this first page you get, you have to log it all on, put all your details on, do all that stuff on it, and it eventually links to your bike. I had a bit of trouble with mine at first, I've got to admit. Contacted them about the not linking in. This has got a SIM card in it, so the actual item on the bike, it's got a SIM card in it, so that has to connect to the outside, so you got to have it somewhere where it's going to connect and all that. And I did try it for a little while, went for a little drive and come back and did all that, did everything that it should, and it just wouldn't. Got in touch with them. After a little while, they got back to me. They're very patient, they're very good. They get back to you and sorted it all out for me, so it's all up and running now. I've tested it out. I've moved my bike with my phone not there, and been given an alarm. And the only thing is I've picked up on mine is, although I've not been able to drive it since then because I hurt my back, I've not been able to ride it since then. I've hurt my back. So is that it's not the app or anything's fault, it's GPS's. You know, it's like sometimes it takes a while to pick it up, and it shows that I've done a trip that I haven't done, but never mind. It's just kind of like a straight line across the map, but there you go. So let's go into all this. So this will tell you that it's parked up, so you press on this and it will give you a map. Let's just do that. So it'll tell you with this bit here, this is where your bike is. When it's all linked up and everything, it will show a little blue dot there. That will be you with your phone. It'll tell you how far away it is. So, but on this, because it's just to show you like a guide. It's not showing up on this map because obviously, you know, there's no bike. This is just a pretend one. Yeah, there'd be a little blue dot that'll be you on the maps and everything like that. So go back to home. So, you know, it looks quite accurate as well, I've got to admit. Permissions, mine automatically comes on because I've already got location set on my phone, but it'll ask you for bits and pieces that you have to click on. Right, that just is like the same thing, like I said, with where your bike is. This will tell you all your trips you've done. This bit up here actually is your ride, so it tells you, it's kind of gives you a scoring on your ride. Apparently it's done with like loads of experienced riders and all that's been tested out with a load of experienced riders, so you know you're kind of against their scores. It will store everything, so click on it, it'll tell you where you went and everything like that. Yeah, which is quite a nice feature. You know, I've looked for maps like that before to have one like that to see where I've done. Oops, come out of it. Then you've got this bit down here. Now these are other people who've got the same system, and what they've done, and you can do day, month, week, year, and it'll give you the top. So that's pretty much it, really. I'm going to do a bit more testing out on it and things, and you know, a bit of mucking about with it, but so far so good. Like I said, there may be some problem with setting it up at first, but it's all done now. Mine took a long time to link in. I had to reset it, but they sent me all the details of how to do it by email, and they seem to answer. They're quite far away. I think they're just a small company who make this product. They don't look like a massive big company, you know. So they got time to answer you, and it's more personal. And they take a little while. There's probably thousands and thousands of these units going out, and like I said, you know, you pay a subscription monthly for this one. It will tell people when you've come off. You've got, that's something I didn't show you, isn't it? This as well. So like your profile, all about you. Yeah, this is not me, by the way. Like I said, your motorcycle, all about it. You know, what type, everything. You know, what notifications you get. You get an SMS and warnings. This one's quite good because you get an emergency contact, so that you put your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, or whoever it is, your lover, whatever, in there, whoever you want to put in there, and it will let them know, like it says, only in the event of a serious accident. So if your bike falls, if it knows you're riding and all of a sudden your bike goes over and you don't respond within a certain time, it will contact this person. It won't if it just falls over and gets picked up almost, you know, within a few minutes, I should think. I don't exactly know the time amount, but you know, if it falls over, it will let you know, basically. And that's pretty much it. I think I've gone through everything. If I get any problems or anything like that with it, I'll let you know. It was easy to fit. The old ones used to have them used to have to put them in a certain direction. But this one you don't seem to. Mine's at an angle, and it seems to be working fine. And that's it, basically. Well, I've got another one coming up soon. I'm always looking for bits and pieces to add to my bike, so I'm sure they'll have another one up soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later on the next one. Yeah, cheers.